Hello everyone, in this video I'd like to demonstrate how can we use hard stop to home the server drive. In this demo kit, I'm using Li-Shine S532, this motion controller PLC. Its programming environment is CODESYS platform. I'm using Li-Shine EL8 server drive, and this motor, it is one linear motor. And on this linear motor, it also have one encoder. And this encoder connect to this EL8 server drive here. And in the previous video, I introduced how can we use this home sensor to home the access, this server drive. And in this video, we will discuss how can we use the hard stop to home the access. Homing the server drive by using hard stop is also a very common way. Like this case, your system could have one hard stop, and then the drive will go forward or negative move towards to this hard stop till it's against with this hard stop. Apply with some certain torque. Meanwhile, we have a time window. As long as this drive against with this hard stop, no any other move. Typically, we will apply 50% or 80% of the server drive motor torque against with this hard stop. And basically, once the time out, then we will home, give a pre-known position to this server drive. The beauty of using hard stop to home the server drive is very consistent and is very robust. Most of cases we will also see we will use the homing sensor for homing the server drive. But if the homing sensor damaged, cable disconnected, or this homing sensor might be contaminated, then your homing sequence might not working properly. But a hard stop is pretty robust. So in this video, I will use this Li-Shine server drive system. I will introduce how can we do this. Inside this Li-Shine EL8 server drive, there has a couple of mode we can home the access by using the fixed stop. I will pick this mode -6 as an example. It is the negative direction at a lower speed to the fixed stop home. And PR 5.39 is the most important parameter, means once we reach this torque, then we will see this drive reach this fixed stop, and we will set 0 or the homing position for the server drive access. Okay, so we will pick the mode -6. So we will use mode -6. Then let's go to the server drive software. We will connect this server drive. So Li-Shine, this EL8 server drive, come with this software, Motion Studio. This Motion Studio software, we do not have to install it. So we just execute that. So it's very convenient. And I'm using this Type-C port and a USB connector to my laptop, and I'm connecting this server drive now. Okay, connected. And then we go to the precision compensation. Okay, and then we go to this homing portion, and let's go to the details setting. And in this case, we will select -6. Okay, -6. So this is moving the negative direction towards to the fixed stop, and with this speed, lower speed. Okay, and the torque setting came from this P0539. Okay, then we can go to P05.39 parameter. Go to the parameter list and go to the number 5 extension setting and go to this P05.39 torque limits. Currently we set 80% of the torque. Okay, typically we will set 50 to 80%. We rarely use 100 because it potentially will a little bit burn your motor. So we typically use 80% or 90% or 50 to 80% this torque limits. Okay, and then we will select -6. So the beauty of using this fixed stop from your application, it doesn't need to use the homing sensor. So it's very robust. Sometimes your machine might need to use for outdoor environment. So the homing switch would be damaged or contaminated, right? So homing by this fixed stop, only use the torque limits. So in this case, I'm setting 80% of the torque limits, and we are using the -6. Okay, so we select -6, And now we can enable the server drive and we can try it. All right. Now I'm going to enable this server drive. Okay. Current position of this server drive is 26.8 millimeter. This position. We can jog forward away and we select this homing mode -6 fixed stop to the negative direction. And we will execute this command. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, as we can see, the drive go to the fixed stop, the hard stop, and then the drive will home to the 0. Okay, I set this homing position to 0 position. Okay, so this is the way how the system run this fixed stop home. Okay, we enable, and now if we go back to the program here again, then from the programming wise, we can just trigger this sequence. Okay, and from the program, we can also control this way. So firstly, we enable the server drive. Okay, enable it, and we can jog it away. Okay, we jog it away. Okay, current position at 62.255. And this is the homing position. After the home, which kind of position we like to set to this axis. So we can prepare this home position. It is here, home position. We can prepare, say, 10.0. Okay, we can prepare here. Okay, 10 here. And now, current position, we are at 62. Okay, and now once we execute this home, and the server drive will run this homing sequence. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Meanwhile, we can watch this position. Okay, now it's a negative. And once it fixes the stop, then the drive will home to the 10 position. So this home setting. Okay, this is the fix and stop home sequence. Okay, it's very robust and very convenient. Okay, this is the Li Shine server drive EL8 and the mode -6 move to the fixed stop, and the parameter PR 5.39 is the torque limits, and it's very convenient for homing the axis. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up. If you like to watch more videos in my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you for watching.